Hi everyone. So in this class I'm going to explain how to create a list and what are the properties of a list. So list is a collection of different data types. Okay. So here I'm just writing a new list. Okay. Just see how am I writing. I'm taking an initiation to start writing a variable. Okay. So now list 1 is the name of my variable, or else for a good naming of a good practices you can write list underscore flowers. Okay, so this means that I'm writing the name of flowers. This is my variable, so you have to give equal to, because that is nothing but you are assigning some value for it. Next, open bracket and close bracket of this square. Okay, so this indicates that the list is enclosed with square brackets and it is separated with a comma. Now see, I'm writing 1 comma, so I'm writing string, that is nothing but Tanya. This means that this is a string, right? So again separate that with a comma. Now I'm writing a statement called boolean. Okay, true is a boolean statement, right? So I'm writing boolean. So one is a numerical integer and the next one is string, and the last one whichever I gave is an boolean. Now I'm again giving 2 plus 3j, which is nothing but a complex. Okay, so by this I'm closing the creation of my list. Okay, I'm just increasing the size of this. Now see, I'll write print of list underscore flowers. This is nothing but you'll get the items which are there in the flowers. Okay, now see, in the output, okay, list, okay, we have given the wrong naming, because of that we are getting error. So let's change the name. Okay, the naming should be clear. Whatever you have given there in the list variable declaration, that you have to mention here. Now 1 comma Tanya comma true of 2 plus 3j, with 3j which is nothing but your complex form. Okay, now let me just find out a particular element from this list. So how to access a particular element from this, let's see here. List underscore, just give the name clearly because I was in a hurry, but you people just give the names clearly. Okay, now I have to give the index position, right? For that you have to mention that with square bracket. Now I wanted to print 2 plus 3j. Let's check it. So always remember the index position start from 0. That is nothing but 1 is in an index of 0. So let's give 0 index position over here. So now check the output what you will get in. Okay, you got in the output as 1. Now if you give again print of list, the same statement, just copy the statement and also just change the index position. Okay, now so that you will get the next index position. Okay, I'm just copying the statement. I'll just paste over here down and I'll replace the value with 1. Okay, now see the index which is nothing but 1 and close the bracket with square. Now you can check the output, that is Tanya also you will get, that is nothing but 1 and along with that Tanya. So here there are two statements. Okay, so one is an integer and the next one is an string format. Now see, whatever the order which we gave, you can get the output in the same manner, right? So that is the reason list we can say that it is ordered. And also I'm just creating one more variable, not variable, I'm just giving duplicate items, that is nothing but 1 comma 1. Okay, if I run it, you will get the duplicate items also. By this you can understand that list is allowing duplicates. Okay, so this is just a basic how to create a list. In the further videos you can see the manipulations of a list and list over tuple, and also the different kind of manipulations along with their methods.